guys are also facing this problem, then you guys are going to see this notification on your screen when you try to log in into your Telegram account. So why this problem occurs is because if you try to log in into your account too many times, let's say you try to log in into your account 10 times within a single day, then it's going to show you too many attempts, please try again later. So to avoid getting this problem in the future, what you need to do is do not try to log in into your account again and again. Because in order to log in into your account, Telegram needs to send you a verification code. And if they are attempting to send multiple verification code to your phone, then watch your SIM card company from sending you any SMSs. So to avoid that, Telegram only allows you to log in into your Telegram account limited time within a single day. So to avoid this problem in the future, please don't try to log in into your account multiple times within a single day. But if you're facing this problem right now, how you guys can fix it is basically just hold on your Telegram icon, go on app info. Once you're over here, go on storage usage, click on manage space, click on clear local database, click on clear. What this is going to do is this is going to delete all the data stored in your Telegram and try to open a Telegram again and relog in into your account. It should work. If it still doesn't work, just delete your Telegram, reinstall it again, and try to log in into your Telegram account again. It should work. But by any chance, if it didn't work, then you need to wait for 24 hours in order to relog in into your account again. That's the only way.